Chapter number 2. All definitions. Chapter number 2. All definitions. Circulatory system. A system that works for transport of materials in our body is called circulatory system. Circulatory system consists of heart, blood vessels, and blood. Heart. Heart, the organ that pumps the blood in blood vessels, is called heart. Pericardium. The heart is enclosed in a thin double-layered transparent membrane called pericardium. Chambers of human heart. The heart consists of 4 chambers. The upper 2 chambers are called atria and the lower 2 chambers are called ventricles. Blood vessels. Blood vessels are tubular structures that transport blood throughout the body. 3 main types of blood vessels are arteries, veins, and capillaries. Arteries. The blood vessels that carry blood away from the heart are called arteries. Aorta is the main artery. Capillaries. The arterioles divide and become tiny vessels called capillaries. Capillaries provide a large surface area for the exchange of materials between the blood and the tissues. Veins. Capillaries reunite to form small veins called venules. The venules join to form bigger veins. The veins carry blood back to the heart. Blood. Our blood is 55% plasma and 45% blood cells suspended in the plasma. Plasma is 92% water. Plasma without fibrinogen and blood cells is called serum. Blood cells. Blood cells are of 3 types: red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. Red blood cells. They contain hemoglobin, which gives them red color. This is the hemoglobin in the red blood cells, which carries oxygen from the lungs and supplies it to all the body cells during blood circulation. White blood cells. White blood cells are colorless. They are part of the body's immune system. They help the body fight infection and other diseases. Platelets. Platelets are not complete cells. These are fragments of cytoplasm enclosed by membranes. Platelets play an important role in blood clotting. They also help to slow or stop bleeding and healing wounds. Disorders of human transport system. There are several disorders of human transport system, but we shall discuss heart attack and hypertension. Heart attack. A heart attack is the death of the part of heart muscle due to lack of blood supply. Hypertension. Blood pressure is the force blood exerts on the walls of arteries or veins in the body. Prolonged high blood pressure is called hypertension. Or, if the blood pressure of a person remains above the normal value, the condition is called high blood pressure or hypertension.